But I know you're not here to see my face. We're here to unbox the iPhone 15 Pro Max in color Sandstone. I'm going to point out things that it does have, doesn't have, and things that are a little off. But yeah, let's get to it.
So I did a pickup order because I didn't want to take a chance waiting actually 3 to 4 weeks. So this is the tabs. It comes with 2 tabs to rip off. And I got the color Sandstone in 250 gigabyte, the lowest one, because I didn't feel like it was necessary I buy storage. At first I thought there was like a film on top of it. I was like, no, it's very soft matte, like there's no sheen to it. This is me struggling to turn it on. I had to go on YouTube real quick to understand how to turn it on. You pretty much press the top and the side button. I'll show you in a minute. But in the box, you'll notice that there's no charger block. They're still continuing that. You got to buy it yourself. Yes, they use a more universal, but you pretty much then have to either buy the block or use another cord from a different company if you don't feel like getting an actual iPhone block. See, this is the moment I was a little off because I was like, wait, did I get the right color? I was like, the picture shows up more beige, but this looks more gray. And I was like, But it's just the color's a little off. But it comes in dark blue, black, and white in that color. Sadly, not pink. And I'm still stuck on it not being pink. Sorry, I'm one of those type of girls. Like, I like a good pink phone. But it's a simple, easy setup. And yeah, just so you know, if your old phone has a SIM card, you can't just pop a little needle in there and then switch it out. You have to actually go to your store carrier and get electronically a SIM card. So when he told me that, I was like, huh? And I was like, oh, okay. But yeah, you have to go to the store, or I think there's a way to transfer it, but certain carriers don't be able to do that, where you can electronically transfer one SIM card to the next. But a chance is mostly a phone that already has electronic SIM card, not an actual physical SIM card. But the setup was pretty easy and basic and just, typical iPhone setup. Just wanted to show you like what you get, how it looks. And I can't wait. I didn't really get into like the whole quality, cameras, videos, certain things, airdropping, because I'm just showing an unboxing video. This is the action side button. You can change it to what you want it to be the main focus of. So I'll figure that when I get to it. But that's it.
Well, this is the bad boy right here, and I'm so happy to go from this downgrade, which was a downgrade, to this bad boy. Can't wait for the concerts, the trip's coming up. I didn't plan on trading this in because I said I'm not that coordinated, and also I'm going on a trip and I'm going to Europe, and you know how
big bucket.
Yeah. So I need to either have a little decoy phone or my extra phone in case something does happen. Let me tell you something, that trip to Thailand is the reason why I went from the Pro Max to this. But we'll get into that story another time. Subscribe, like, comment. See you later.